The Audi windshield wiping system is designed for intuitive control and additional functionality. Press the stalk down once for a single wipe of the windshield. Press the stalk down and hold it for continuous wiping until the stalk is released. If held for several seconds, the speed of the wipers will increase. Move the stalk up one click from the off position for automatic rain sensing wiping, starting with a single wipe on activation. While activated, the rain sensor automatically turns on the wipers when it begins to rain or snow, adjusting wiper frequency to match rainfall intensity. To increase or decrease the sensitivity of the rain sensing function, move the control switch on the front of the stalk to the right for greater sensitivity, providing more frequent wipes, or to the left for less frequent wiping. With each adjustment for greater sensitivity, the wipers will complete one wipe to acknowledge the change. If desired, the rain sensing function can be overridden with a time interval. From the MMI home screen, select Vehicle, Light and Visibility, and then deactivate the rain sensor. The desired intermittent interval time is selected in the same manner as rain sensing, moving the switch right for more frequent wiping and to the left for less frequent wiping. The next stalk position up is for continuous low-speed wiping. The top position is for continuous high-speed wiping. To wash the windshield, pull the stalk toward you and hold. Once released, the wipers will wipe 3 more times. While driving, it will wipe one more time after several seconds to remove any residual washer fluid. On vehicles with a rear wiper, to activate, press the button on the end of the stalk. A message will appear in the instrument cluster indicating it is on. The rear wiper only wipes intermittently, approximately every 4 to 5 seconds. Push and hold the stalk fully to activate continuous washing and wiping until the stalk is released. The stalk will return to the intermittent position. To turn off rear wiping, press the button on the end of the stalk. As a convenience feature, anytime the vehicle is placed in reverse with the front wipers on, the rear wiper will activate automatically.